Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pakistani Girl.in USA. If you're new here, I am Sidra, helping you launch and grow your creative business in the USA and beyond. Today we're diving into a hot debate, Etsy versus Shopify. Which platform fits your business best? Why this matters, selling handmade goods. Print on demand, vintage, this video is for you. We'll break down costs, ease of use, branding, marketing, fees, and who each platform suits best. Platform introductions. Etsy. Big handcrafted marketplace with approximately 96 million buyers and 8 million sellers in 2024. Listing costs 20 cents per item plus 6.5%. Transaction fee plus mandatory offsite ad fees 12 to 15% once you hit $10K year. Great for quick setup and instant audience, but branding limited. Shopify standalone e-commerce. Builder about 5 million stores by 2024. Monthly plans from $39 to enterprise level plus payment. Fees waived with Shopify payments. Full branding control. Customization and unlimited products. Ease of use and setup. Etsy instant marketplace setup. Create a shop. List items. Sell ideal for beginners and test products. Shopify more setup required. Choose a theme. Configure payments. Shipping design steeper. Learning curve with big payoff. Branding and customization and cologne. Etsy uses uniform templates. With an Etsy subdomain branding options very limited. Shopify offers full control. Custom domains, design. Flexibility, advanced themes, and app integrations. Shopify flat monthly fee $39 basic plus payment fees. No extra transaction fees with Shopify payments. Scales better above $2,000 month. Traffic and marketing. Etsy cologne. Built-in shoppers and easy. Search discovery. Limited to Etsy's ad system. Offsite ads cost 12 to 15%. Shopify requires driving your own traffic use, SEO, social media, email marketing, and abandoned cart recovery tools. Over 10,000 apps for promotion, analytics, and multi-channel sales. Growth and scalability. Etsy best for small scale or side hustle. Higher. Volume faces rising fees and limited. Customization. Shopify built for scaling. Advanced plans, AI tools. Shopify Magic multi-channel B2B capabilities. AI and smart tools update. Shopify Magic automates product descriptions, discounts, content generation used by merchants like Reuters.com. Sellers are leveraging AI to customize code vibe coding for unique storefronts without hiring devs. AI and smart tools update. Shopify Magic automates product descriptions, discounts. Content generation. Used by merchants like Clutch Coffee. Sellers are leveraging AI to customize code vibe coding for unique storefronts without hiring devs. Real seller stories. Etsy. Some sellers in Etsy sellers note slow periods but stress need for SEO and improved traffic. Shopify. Retailers report doubling efficiency and revenue through AI and multi-channel integration. Entrepreneurship and low entry barriers. Etsy effortless startup. Set up shop in minutes. Upload listings, add descriptions, and buyers appear ideal for beginners focused on handmade, vintage. Work craft supplies. Built-in demand. Access to 96 million active. Buyers as of end 2024. Without needing marketing or traffic skills. Shopify. Full store ownership. From day one you control your brand, domain, design, and customer interactions. Highly scalable. Supports multi-currency, multilingual stores. Expanded shipping. and advanced catalog options. Branding and customization. Simple branding setup. Upload banners and profile. But must fit Etsy's format, making shops look similar. Shopify. Total creative freedom. 200 themes. Drag and drop. Editing. Full HTML. CSS Control 4. Unique storefront. Experiences. Advanced customization. Use AI to generate descriptions. And even vibe code to tweak themes without hiring developers. Fees and profitability. Etsy. Zero subscription fees but you pay 20 cents per listing. 6.5% transaction, 3% plus processing, and 12 to 15%. Off-site ad fees once. Sales exceed $10,000 here. Ideal for small catalogs. Best for testing products. Or side hustles. Shopify. Fixed subscription cost starting at $39 month plus. 2.9% plus 30% or lower if using Shopify payments. And no listing fees and robust shipping discounts. Reduce costs further. Growth tools and ecosystem. Etsy. Marketplace features. Built-in SEO, tags, and Etsy ads help beginners get noticed. Limited integration options. Smart marketing tools. SEO, automation, abandoned cart. Recovery, discount codes, and deeper customer insights via analytics. Shopify. App-rich platform. 16,000 plus apps for email. Marketing, analytics, loyalty, POS, print on demand, and multi-channel sales. Inventory. Multi-channel sales. Inventory and fulfillment. Etsy. Basic management suitable. For fewer skis. Listing expiry. Is for months. Shopify. Pro level inventory control. Barcode scanning. Low stock. Alerts. Multi-location support. Bundles, variants, forecasting, and warehouse tool integrations. Shipping and international sales. Etsy. Offers domestic and international shipping discounts, approximately 30%, plus auto translation. And currency conversions, taxes and duties responsibility still falls on the seller. Security and support. Etsy. Secures listings with SSL and covers transaction protection. Support via forums and email. Limited phone options. Shopify. SSL plus PCI compliance plus 2-factor authentication plus. Fraud detection. 247 global support via chat, phone, email, plus tutorials, webinars, and certified Shopify experts. AI and future-proofing. Shopify is leading with AI-powered tools like Shopify Magic, auto content, chatbots, vibe coding, and deep integration with platforms like OpenAI. Etsy is slowly integrating marketing automations, but remains more traditional. Hybrid strategy. Etsy plus Shopify. Many sellers start on Etsy for easy exposure and validate products. Then expand to Shopify for brand control, marketing, and automation. Sync both with integration. Tools to leverage Etsy traffic while building your standalone presence. Etsy, best for beginners and niche sellers. Zero monthly fees, just 20 cents. Listing plus 6.5% transaction plus. Payment processing plus mandatory. Offsite ads once you hit $10,000 annual sales. Instant audience exposure. Etsy drives over 96 million buyers to your products, making it effortless for small-scale creators to gain traction. Fast and simple setup. No need to worrying about hosting, domains, or code. Shopify, ideal for growth and branding control. Subscription-based starts around $39 month. Plus. Payment fees to 0.9% plus 30 with Shopify payments. But no listing fees or extra marketplace cuts. Community, full ownership, custom domain, store design, customer data, and marketing control. Essential for building a brand. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to Pakistani Girl in USA for more tips on building your business in the USA. Don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a video.